Have you ever felt the magnetic pull of a greater purpose? A whisper that says there's more to life than what you've been living? What if I told you that unlocking your true potential isn't about grinding harder, but about stepping into an ancient journey, a path every great leader, artist, warrior, and visionary has walked? This is the hero's journey, an archetypal roadmap to mastery. Today, we're going to break it down step by step, showing you how to live it and why the leap of courage is the turning point that changes everything. Forget the myth of overnight success. Real mastery isn't born in comfort. It's forged in trials, in self-confrontation, in choosing the road that scares you the most, because that road leads to transformation. So here's my promise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you are in your own hero's journey, and you'll have the courage to take the next leap forward. The hero's journey begins with the call to adventure, a moment that shakes your routine. It might be dramatic, losing a job, a heartbreak, a world crisis, or it could be quiet, a restlessness you can't explain. This is life's way of saying, you're meant for more. Most people hear the call and ignore it. Fear wins. Comfort seduces. But those who answer take the first step toward mastery. Almost every hero refuses the call at first. Fear says, you're not ready. Society says, be realistic. But here's the truth. Every master you admire started afraid. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's choosing to move despite it. Mentors are the catalysts of transformation. They might be a teacher, a book, a friend, even a stranger whose words hit you like lightning. The mentor equips you with tools, not just skills, but belief in yourself. Find yours. Seek wisdom. And remember, the mentor doesn't walk the path for you, but they give you the map. This is the leap, the point of no return. You commit. In real life, it's when you say, I'm doing this. You launch the business, you move cities, you sign up for the challenge. It's exhilarating and terrifying, but without the leap, the journey never begins. The path is not smooth. You'll face obstacles, financial, emotional, mental. You'll also meet allies, people who push you, support you, challenge you to grow. This stage builds resilience. Every obstacle is a sharpening stone. This is the lowest point, the moment you question everything. The hero faces their deepest fear, and sometimes loses before they win. But here's the paradox. The abyss is where you find your real strength. If you're in it now, hold on. You're closer to transformation than you think. You rise, not as who you were, but as who you were meant to be. This isn't just skill mastery, it's self-mastery. You're calmer under pressure, clearer in purpose, stronger in spirit. So, where are you in your journey? At the call? The leap? The abyss? Wherever you are, know this. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's the choice to step forward despite it. Your leap is waiting. The world needs your gift. The path is ancient. The time is now. If this spoke to you, don't just click away. Begin your leap today. And if you're ready to walk this path with a community of fellow heroes, subscribe and join the movement.